It's more about the acting out of the sacrifice, where modern culture, we're looking at, oh, they killed the lamb and all this stuff, but it's the symbolic meaning of sacrificing something and acting it out emotionally so your whole body owns that behavior. And by doing that, you're training yourself to respond or to act out, to live the truth instead of just having a mental model. For responsibility, I like the simple reframe of it's the ability to respond. So it doesn't really matter what you're doing, you're building the capacity to respond more skillfully, more in the moment, more consciously of all the different environmental factors. And I'd argue that modern culture is sort of saying, I don't want to do the wrong thing. Not really, I don't know what to do. I don't want to do the wrong thing because we're so guilt focused now. And then because I don't want to do the wrong thing, I want to make sure I'm safe, or I'll defer the responsibility to someone else because I'm so terrified of doing the wrong thing. I don't know how to respond. I only know how to react. And I'm reacting by trying to inhibit my behavior. I don't want to act out because I'll get in trouble. I'd argue that a lot of the over-management is sending their anxiety of not wanting to do something wrong, and they're just flooding all the children and all the people that are learning with being scared of doing something wrong, being scared of repeating World War II, being scared, it's just terrorism, even before the war on terrorism.